Hello children, how are you all? I welcome you. So tell me, how are you all and what are you doing? As you can see that there is no subject name is written on the screen. Is it? There is no subject name is written on the screen. So that means today we will not study. But I insist you to have a notebook and a pen with you. Although we are not studying, but there is some interesting work for you. So quickly have a notebook and a pen with you. I hope now you all are having notebook and pen. So here comes an interesting work. Yes, project work. Yes, I am going to give you social studies project work today. Alright, and there are two questions. And you have to do only one. There are two questions, but you have to do only one. It is your choice that you are attempting the first one or you are doing the second one. Alright children, shall we start? Yes. Write down in your notebook, social studies project work. Social studies project work. Now, our first question is, collect information and write about our solar system in a tabular form. Draw or stick pictures showing the solar system. See, I have pasted one picture here of solar system, right? You also have to do like this. So, what you have to do? Are you able to understand the question? That first of all you have to collect information about solar system and you have to make picture, you have to draw or you have to paste picture of solar system and then you have to write the collected information in a tabular form. So, in this question, what you have to do? First of all, you have to collect the information regarding solar system and write down in the rough notebook. You have to collect the information regarding solar system and you have to note down first in the rough notebook. First of all, you have to collect the information and write that information in your rough notebook. And then secondly, you have to collect interesting facts. You have to collect interesting facts about planets. You have to collect interesting facts about planets and again you have to note down in a rough notebook. Understood? Now, how you have to do? First of all, you are required the pages. It may be the A4 size pages. It may be your pages from your previous year's notebook or the pages from your drawing book. Alright, you can decorate the pages. If you are having scrapbook, you can do it in scrapbook also. But make sure that all the subject work you can do in one scrapbook. Alright. So how you have to do? You have to take pages, you have to staple it, stick it or stitch it with the help of ribbon or something. Alright, on the first page you are supposed to write down the introduction, you are supposed to write down the project work. In that you have to write down your name. See here, you have to write down your name, class, division, roll number, subject and your name of the school. Your section and your roll number is of your previous class. That is, you have to write the same roll number and section which you are having in your 4th standard. Alright. And you can draw or color or decorate your front page. Alright. Now how you have to do? On the when you have written the name, class, section and all that, then you have to turn the page. You have to leave the left side page, and here on the right side you are supposed to write down introduction of solar system. Whatever information you have collected and write down and written in your rough notebook, that information you have to copy here. You have to note down in 8 to 10 lines. Alright, whatever writing work you are doing, you are supposed to do that writing work on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you have to draw or paste the picture of solar system. Alright children, but I preferably say you, yes children, I recommend you to draw the picture instead of forcing your parents to go out and purchase the things. I recommend you to draw and use your old material only. Got it? Now how you have to make the table? See, I have taken the example of Mercury. I have taken the example of Mercury planet. See how you have to do in a tabular form. First of all, I have written the contents and above name of the planets. Above, first one I have written name of the planets, and then I have written contents. So I have taken the example of Mercury. So first point is average distance from Sun. What is the distance of Mercury to Sun? You have to note down the distance. Then rotation period. How much time Mercury takes rotation? Rotation of, alright, 59.9 days. Then revolution. 88 days. Is there any moon on Mercury? No. Any satellite? No. And now you have to write down the interesting fact about the planets you are writing. What interesting fact I have written about Mercury is, it is the closest planet to the Sun. Yes. And second, it is the small rocky planet. It is the small rocky planet. Alright children. See the content, what you are supposed to write: average distance from Sun, rotation period, revolution, moon, satellite and interesting facts. This table also you have to draw on the right side only. This table also you have to draw on the right side of the sheet. Understood? What you are supposed to write in the tabular form. And one thing more, that if on one page only 3 planets are coming, the details of 3 planets are only coming, like first, second and third. according to the size of the page. So you are only supposed to write the 3 planets on one page, because you are also supposed to make this column also. Alright, and the remaining information in a tabular form of other planets you have to note down on the next page. So again there also you have to make a tabular table. Then again you have to note down the contents, name of the planets, and then their details. Clear? Clear, children? Yes. First question, this question is clear in your mind, that you have to collect the information and write about 8 to 10 lines about our solar system, and then you have to collect the data, information about the planets, and again you have to what? Write down, and the data the data of planets you are supposed to write down in a tabular form. Alright? And I recommend you to draw the solar system from your hands. Alright? It is quite easy to draw. It is quite easy to draw. And here also you can draw the picture of planets. You will draw the pictures of planet. Question 1 is clear. Now you are supposed to do only one question. I am giving you 2 questions. You are supposed to do only one. The second question. Draw and write about how the earth appears to be if viewed from the space. Write down, draw and write about how earth appears to be if viewed from the space. Now, what you are supposed to do in this question? You have to first write down the introduction of the earth. Then you will write down how it looks before thousands years ago. How it looks. Alright? And now how earth looks. And what people think of it. What people think of it. That you have studied in, we have studied this in chapter 1st of social studies. Yes, we have studied that, how people think of earth. Yes, so that you have to write. Now, how you have to do this? Again, on the left side you have to draw the picture or paste picture, and on the right side first of all you have to give the introduction of earth. You have to give the introduction of earth. Then details about earth, the distance from sun, how many moons, satellites, how much portion is covered with water, like this detail, whatever you get easily. Alright, and where you get information? You get information from your old book or any other book, or you can search it from internet. Then after finishing the introduction and details about earth on the next page, again what you have to do? You have to write down the first satellite launch on earth. You have to write down the name and year. Then you have to write down the first Indian satellite, when it launched, whether it is successful or not. Then the astronauts, who is the first astronaut to reach on earth, on moon, Indian astronauts, what are their researches, what they comment. Alright, all these things you have to write, and you can take 4 or 5 pages in writing this, but the writing should be neat and clean. The work, whatever you do, is in a very good handwriting. Alright children, now what are the materials you use? I have already told you that pages you can take from your old notebook. I don't mind. You can take any pages. If you are having A4 size paper, you can do it on that also. Yes. Obviously, you need pen, pencil, sketch, color pencil, scales, stapler, gum or fevistick or scissor. If you are having old marriage cards, you can draw the shapes of planet there, cut it and paste where it is needed. Alright? If you have white pages or line pages, you can draw the border and do your own creativity. Alright, but the first page of your file, of your pages should be written the project work, your name, your class, your roll number, your subject and the name of your school. Alright, I recommend you to use as many as things from your home itself. You are already having sketch pens, pencils, scale, scissor, fevicol, pages also you are having. Yes. So, I recommend you to not to go out and not to purchase unnecessary things. Alright children, I hope you have understood both the questions and you only have to do one. There is a choice between both the question. You are only supposed to do one. Alright, I hope you will enjoy doing this because this is a very interesting work and you always love to do project works. Yes, so enjoy it. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.